So hello students, welcome once again. So that's a question for you people from permutation and combination. See, we have done several many concept based questions here. We have discussed multinomial, use of multinomial also, you have I think, and we have discussed in detail, I think, in principle of inclusion and exclusion. So now that's again a question, a bit different type of question. I thought I found it, so that's why I decided to share it with you people. So the question is, if n cards are drawn from an unlimited set of cards marked either with 0, 2 or 4, if the number 420 can't be obtained using these cards, with the help of these cards, and number of ways in which such thing happen is 93. Such thing happen means number of ways in which you can select such n cards from 3 boxes. See, I will consider here 3 boxes. A box containing cards of only 0, only 2, only 4. So it's like the question is, you have to select n cards from any of these 3 boxes, okay, such that you can't write 420, such that you can't write 420 here. Okay, so all possible ways of selecting any number of cards, so all possible ways of selecting any number of cards are how many? So of course, first card you have to select, you have 3 choices. You can select from any one of those boxes. Second card you have to select, again you have 3 choices, again you have 3 choices, so on and so on. How many times? So you have n times, so this is n times. So how many total number of ways of selecting n cards out of these 3 boxes is 3 raised to the power n. Okay, but of course it may happen that you select all your n cards from this box, so you don't have either 2 or 4. Okay, rather you have neither 2 nor 4. Okay, so how can you write 420? So similarly, it may happen that you select box of all cards from 0 and 2. Still you don't have 4. You can't write 420. So we need those cases where at least one box is untouched. Okay, at least one box is untouched. That's what we need here. Okay, so that means you can use at most 2 boxes. So what I will suggest here, so since we need at least one box is untouched from where no card is drawn, so how many ways that can be done? So 3C1 ways. With that I will ensure that one box is untouched. So 3C1 ways in which I am selecting the box which will remain untouched. Okay. Now how many choices you have to draw cards? So every card can be drawn in 2 choices, with 2 choices, either from 2 or from 4. So 2 into 2 into 2, how many times? Since we have to draw n cards, so this is n times. But see, again, we have already seen this thing, that whenever we go for at least case, there are repetition. How? See, if I select this box and remove it, it may happen that this is 2 raised power n ways, isn't that? It may happen that out of 2 raised power n ways, there is a way that you select all your n cards from this box. So you left 2 empty, I mean 2 untouched, not empty, 2 untouched. Okay. Now it may happen that in 3C1 ways I would have removed this box, and then again you select all your n cards from box 4. So 0 again remain left untouched. So 0 and 2 boxes are left untouched in 2 different ways, isn't that? So there are repetitions. So from that, so I will remove those cases which are being extra counted here. 2 boxes are left untouched. So how many ways that can happen? So to leave 2 boxes untouched, we have 3C2 choices. Okay, and then you are left with only one box. So every card has no choice. You have to select all the cards from that box only. So 1 into 1 into 1. So 1 is power and that's it. Now that has ensured that at least one box is left untouched. If that happens, so it's for sure that you can't write your number 420. So that's it. So this is given to be 93. So now let's calculate it. So 3 into 2 raised power n minus 3 is equal to 93. So 3 into 2 raised power n is 96. So this is nothing but 32. And 2 raised power n is 32. So that means our number of cards which can be drawn, maximum number of cards that can be drawn, I mean when it is given that total number of ways are 93, such that you can't write 420, is 5. Okay, so 5 cards are to be drawn. Then you have 93 ways of drawing those 5 cards such that you can't write your number, and which is 93 here, bachcho. Okay, so that was the question for today.